The Audi Quattro Lab. A series of grip tests designed to push Audi's legendary all-wheel drive technology to the limit. 10 tons of logs, a dumper truck, a Routemaster bus, a traction engine, thick mud, wet leaves, loose gravel, slippery oil. The Audi A4 2-liter Quattro and a tow rope. Will it grip? Yeah, it's Quattro. More grip, less drama.